Good evening, members. I received this question and I'm going to try out this one. You'll handle this in your free time. Now, how we handle these ones is that what I have is x squared plus px plus q equal to 0 and x squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now, how I handle this is, the idea is, you first eliminate x squared, you first eliminate x, then you also eliminate x squared. How do we eliminate x? To eliminate x, we need these coefficients to be the same. So now my x squared plus so meaning what I'm going to do, I'm going to multiply here by b and here by a p. This one here and this one here. So if I do that, I have then I do subtract. If I subtract this from here, here will be minus b x squared, because x squared is 1 equals to b minus b, x squared is 1, this will vanish, then I'll be adding plus b cubed minus cp equal to 0. When I take this the other side, I have my b minus b x squared equal to now cp minus b cubed divided through, so my x squared becomes cp minus b cubed over b minus p. This one becomes my equation 1. Now, I'm going to eliminate x squared. Now, if you are eliminating x squared still with c, all I'm going to be adding is my equation here, which is going to be x squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, then x squared plus px plus q equal to 0. So you see that the coefficient already here is the same, so I eliminate by subtracting. So if I subtract, I'll be adding this minus this, I'll be adding b minus p into x, then plus c minus q equal to 0. So that is okay. Now, it's that here I'm having b minus p x equal to negative c minus q. When I take the all of this side, it changes the sign. So now my x becomes c minus q minus over b minus p. Now this one is equation 2. Now, so that this one is x squared and this is x. Means that if I square this, and it will be equal to the other. So let us see. So it means that now, if I get equation 2 and I square it, because this one will be x squared, it will be equal to equation 1. This will be now x squared equal to x squared, which is this. But x squared here is, when I square this, I get in the positive, so I'll be adding c minus q, the whole squared, over, also squared is b minus p, the whole squared, equal to, now the other square, which is cp minus bq, the whole over b minus p. So it's that these are 2, 1, cancel with that. So now, it's that my c minus q, the whole squared, is going to be, when I multiply this side, b minus p, then cp minus bq, and the proof is done. I wish you the best. Handle the other one, this one.